Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's early in the morning. Just get ready to take care of some business on this foggy morning. Very, very foggy. Uh, Got a little misty rain last night. And I could just say late last night. There's something else I had on my mind about, you have the people be talking about, FEMA camps. They would say that they're gonna put everybody in FEMA camps and just yada 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 blah blah blah. But I don't really think that they would do it that way. Like one way to punish the people is you have to like cut off people's resources and cut off people's resources. That would be like shutting down stores. Shutting down like Walmart, grocery store. Yeah, so that would be like one way. That they would like cut off the people's resource. And I see so many people be bragging about like big city. They say, well, this my city, Philly, Chicago, and New York. They like to brag about they city, but I stayed in those big cities, but that's the last place that I want to be. I don't want to be in no big large city, gigantic city. Um, like most of my years living in Silver Spring, Maryland. Yeah, Silver Spring, Maryland, Baltimore, and especially staying in Baltimore. It's so damn rough. I say, man, it's like one maybe one two homicide, almost every day. Then siren just running all the time. Somebody getting hurt, shot, stabbed, and all of that. And stayed in DC, stayed in DC for a minute. So I'm just saying, I don't really, I don't really care for like big gigantic cities now. I just don't care for it. But no disrespect to anybody. They stay in big cities. But I just like to tell people to prepare yourself. Just buy all kind of food, buy dry food, buy a whole lot of clean, fresh water, and just be prepared, cause you never know like what's gonna happen. The economy is still not really just all the way up. Like whatever, like Donald Trump may tell you, he might tell you that that the stock market up, then the economy is up, but I say still be prepared. Buy plenty of water, buy like buy dried up food, buy canned food. Like stay prepared. I don't know, can y'all see this? But it's visible. It's real foggy morning. But anyway, that's my speech for the day. But I would say, like um people in these big large cities, I say, just be real prepared, because you never know what will happen, especially like dealing with this system. Stay prepared. Like I said, buy canned food, buy dry food, buy that plenty of water, um, buy some solar panels. What's that plant? A potted, aquaponic, a potted plant. So take all this in consideration. But anyway, let me get started. So on that note, I say peace and love, and I am OUT. I'm out.